Good morning, class.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I am audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So before we start our day, let us pray first. Mr. Miranda, can you please unmute your microphone and lead the prayer?
Yes, ma'am. Let's worship the presence of our Lord. Lord, thank you for this day that we all gather in this meeting, especially for the demonstration of Mom Kristine. Guide her through the lesson and for us to learn. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Okay, thank you. So class, sorry for not open my camera because I'm having a bad internet connection. So how's your day, class?
Good, ma'am.
We're fine, ma'am.
Are you happy? Are you all happy?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
That's good to hear. So who is your secretary here?
ako po, ma'am.
Who is absent? Who is not attending our class today?
Ma'am, we are all present in the meeting. There are no absence po.
Very good, thank you. So I'm going to read those reminders in our virtual class today. The first one is be on time. So you need to be prepared when you are attending our virtual class. So the next is mute yourself. You need to sure that your microphone are muted when you're not talking. Or if you have something to say or share, you can unmute your microphone. So the third is participation. So you need to focus and pay attention. So there are the reminders for today. Before we move to our activity, can you recall our previous topic, Sir Princess?
Well, our previous topic is all about the select measuring tools and equipments.
Thank you. Can you give me some examples of measuring instrument,
Of
Sir
course,
Princess?
ruler, triangles,
So
and
what are
equipment.
those uses of instrument? Ay,
And
sorry.
triangles used for, of course, measure the
Wait lang.
different, yes.
Sorry for inconvenience. Hingi kasi dito. Yes, Mr. Princess, can you repeat your answer?
Ma'am, those um, measuring tools, for examples, is triangle. And
And then,
triangle is used for um, measure the accurate proportion of every drawing.
thank you, Mr. Princess. So I think you already know the use of measuring instruments. So let's proceed to our activity. So our activity, I will divide the class into two groups. The first group will be the girls, while the second group will be the boys. Who can get the higher score will be have a plus 5 points in their quiz later. So our activity is entitled Scramble, word scramble. You're going to arrange the letters to form a word. So shall we start? The first, I, the first word is anyone who's to answer, boys, girls.
Erasing shield.
Okay, Mr. Princel, thank you. You got the 1 point for the voice. Next word is
Compass.
another plus point for the voice. Next word is
Triangle, ma'am.
okay. Girls, you have 1 point for the girls. Next word is
Drawing paper.
another 1 point for the voice. And the last word,
Masking tape, ma'am.
okay. For the last word, girls have got the 1 point. So the winner is voice for today for our activity. So congratulations. You will have a plus 5 points for our quiz. So please remind me so that I can plus your points later while the others. Thank you for your participation. So class, what have you noticed in our activity? Anyone who wants to answer? Okay, Mr. Princel.
Mom is all about the tools and equipments in technical drawing.
Okay,
I think
thank you. Thank you. So what do you think about drafting material? Sir Princel,
ano ma'am? Ano po ulit yun?
so what do you think about drafting materials?
I think of drafting materials is
Hello, are you there, Mr. Princel? Okay, thank you, Mr. Princel. Miss Kimberly Apales.
Mom, I think about drafting materials is used for measurement and layout of drawings, Mom.
Okay, thank you, Miss Apales. So so we discussed today the identifying drafting materials and tools drawing equipment. So can you read clear? Can you please read clear? Okay, Miss Jessica.
Identifying drafting materials and tools and drawing equipment. Drafting tools may be used for measurement and layout of drawings or to improve the consistency and speed of creation of standard drawing elements.
Okay, thank you. So here are the drafting materials, tools equipment, drawing equipment that we are going to use in drafting. So the first one is the drawing paper. I will be the one to read. Drafting paper is made especially for making technical drawing. It has a number of unique features that make it useful for architects, engineers, or anyone else who need to make technical drafting. So drawing paper is a heavier and better quality paper than sketching paper. It is commonly used for sketching and finish work. You may draw any layout, plan, and organize future design in ways you've never tried before with the software. So this can seriously facilitate your work as you can get the ideas of your head fast and easy. So that is the drawing paper. Next is masking tape. Arjun, can you please read?
Masking tape. It is intended to hold blueprints to a drawing board or light table and to pull off easily without damaging the drawing.
Okay, masking tape. Masking tape was originally used to cover off auto parts which didn't required to remove or to be implicated. So, masking tape is the holder of the drawing paper para hindi malaglag or madumihan. So, that is the masking tape. Next is pencil sharpener. Sir Princel, can you please read?
Pencil sharpener. The easiest way to sharpen a pencil is with a pencil sharpener. They come out really nicely edged and sharpened, which enables you to draw sharp lines in a decent wedge shape.
Okay, thank you. A pencil sharpener, also referred to as pencil pointer, or it is a tool for sharpening a pencil writing points by shaving away its word surface. Pencil sharpener may be operated manually or by an electrical motor. Pero yung ibang mga draftsman or architect, they are using knife or blade to sharp their pencil. So, why they are using knife? A knife is the most versatile method of sharpening a pencil because you can use it to cut any styled point that you want. So that is the pencil sharpener. So next is drawing pencil. So drawing pencil, this excellent quality graphite pencil encouraged wider use by 19th century artists and pencil. Drawing became commonly used for studies and primary sketches. So drawing pencil drawing pencil is a writing utensil with a graphite head embedded in a wooden shaft. It is mainly used for artistic sketching and drawing for notes. Its benefits are the simple usage as well as being able to remove what you drawn with an eraser. So we have three types of pencil. So we have a soft pencil which is used in mechanical drafting or mechanical drawing. So another one is the medium pencil used for general purpose or of work and drawing. So the last one types of pencil is hard pencil used for extreme accuracy. Is required especially working on graphs, diagram, and charts. So that are the three types of pencil. So next is erasing shield. Christian Maliktam, can you please read?
Erasing shield. Small metal or plastic card with pre-punch holes and slots is used to erase precise areas of a drawing.
Thank you. So eraser shield is a thin sheet of stainless steel or plastic with slots and holes of different shape. So they are designed to allow eraser to be used through them to erase lines and text without removing lines close by which not need to be erased or should not be erased. That clear class. That is the erasing shield. Hello, are you with me, class?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next is T-square. Reniel, can you please read?
T-square. T-square is a technical drawing instrument used by draftsmen primarily as a guide for drawing horizontal lines on a drafting table.
Thank you, Mr. Reniel. A T-square is a tool used in technical drawing, primarily as a guide for drawing straight horizontal line on a drafting table. It can also be used in conjunction with a set square to draw vertical and angle lines. Its name is derived from its resemblance to the letter T. So we have three types of T-square. So the first one is fixed head triangle. So fixed head triangle is the head is the fastened to blade. It is used for ordinary work. So another types of T-square is the movable head or adjustable head. So it has one fixed and one adjustable head. It is used only for occasional drawing. So the last types of T-square is the detachable head or removable head. It is designed for comfort carrying the T-square that are that mali. This ay, sorry. It is designed for comfort carrying the T-square. So that is the three types of this T-square. That clear, class?
Yes,
So next is triangle. So a triangle a tools is triangle is a drafting tools used to draw accurate parallel lines, vertical lines, and other angle lines. Generally, two right-angled triangular pieces of differing angles form one set. So, triangle is an object used in engineering and technical drawing. So, with the aim of providing a straight edge at a right angle or other particular angle to be a baseline. So, we have two types of triangle, which is the 45 by 45 angle and the 30 by 60 angle. Next is compass. J Art, can you please read? So,
Compass. A compass, more accurately known as a pair of compasses, is a technical drawing instrument that can be used for inscribing circle or arcs.
okay, thank you, J Art. So, a compass is a drafting instrument that has one pen or pencil point and one sharp point that is positioned at the center of the circle to be described. So, compass seems like a divider. Protractor. Pencil.
Protractor is a measuring instrument typically made of transparent plastic or glass for measuring angles.
Okay, protractor. A protractor is a device used in drafting and drawing. It mainly used for drawing and measuring angles. So that is the protractor. That's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
That are the drafting materials and tools, drawing equipment. So do you have any question, class?
None, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So if none, let's have another activity. So our activity,
None, mom.
thank you. So we're going to guess those pictures in the screen that the arrow are pointing. The first arrow is Princess.
The nine or the 60 or the by 60 by 90-degree triangle.
Okay, you are correct. Another arrow is Rainier.
Ma'am.
What is the next picture?
Ma'am, Chappy, ma'am.
Sorry. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you na, ma'am.
Okay, what is the next picture? Tinuturo ng arrow.
Tip, ma'am.
Masking. Thank you, Rainier. So another arrow. What is that? Gay art. Okay, Mark Benry.
Ma'am,
Mark,
a ruler po. Or a T square. T square.
okay, Mark Benry, very good. You are correct. Next is Argil. Hello, Mr. Argil. Are you there? Okay, Mr. Princel. What is that?
Protector, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Princel. Thank you. You are correct. Another picture is AJ Art. You're raising your hand. J Art.
Racing shield, ma'am.
Okay, you are correct here. Thank you. And the last picture is Argil Tirao. Hey,
Scale.
Argil. Huh? Mali.
Up. With ma'am pencil.
Drawing pencil. So, thank you. So, before, I think you are already know what are the drafting tools and materials. So, before we move to our quiz, I will be the one to ask you a question. The first question is, why is it important to know the drafting materials and tools drawing equipment? Mark Benry. Okay, Mark Benry is not. So,
Wait, ma'am, I'm suffering from internet
wait,
connection.
wait lang. Kasi maingay yung aso namin.
I had a bad connection. Pardon po, ano po yung tanong po niya, ma'am?
The question is, why is it important to know the drafting materials and tools drawing equipment?
Yes, ma'am. It is important because if a drafter is going to make an artwork, you need to familiarize all the tools and materials that need or that is specified in a specific function of that tool map. So when you apply or when you use the right tool in the right purpose, you can see the good outcome of your drawing.
Okay, very well said. For your answer, Mark Henry. So another question is, how can help the drafting materials and tools drawing equipment to you? Okay, Argil. Okay, Argil. Nicole. Rainiel.
Ma'am,
Can you please answer the question?
how can help the drafting materials and tools drawing equipment to you? It helps me to make to make a plate properly and to make it done easily.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rainiel, for your wonderful answer. So another question is, why is drafting an important part of modern industry? Okay, because Princess Miranda. Answer, make question.
Ma'am,
Can you please answer the question? Why
number
is
three.
the draft? Yes,
Why is it
number
drafting so important part of the modern industry? Is it really important, ma'am? Because drafting use when planning a building or a houses or making product boxes, something like that.
you, Mr. Princess Miranda, for your wonderful answer. So, I think you are all ready for. I think you are all ready. So let's have start our quiz that I will post in the MS Teams. So please check. The test one is multiple choice. Test 2 is identification and test 3 is enumeration. So I will give you 20 minutes to take the quiz. So start now. I already post the quiz your MC. I think you are done, class. Are you done? No.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. So for
Yes,
your assignment, please advance reading to our next topic about identifying hazardous area. Is that clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Yes, ma'am. Goodbye, ma'am.
Oh,
Wait lang, hindi ata ako nag-record. Record ba?
Ave, meron.
May ngadya?